Pen modifiers in ActivInspire offer a quick and easy way to create activities, graphic organizers, and more. With the pen tool, you can change the color and width at any time. However, pen modifiers give you even more options. To access pen modifiers, go to Tools, and then select Pen Modifiers. A new menu will appear next to your main toolbox and offer you a variety of lines and shapes. Select any of them to begin to create your annotation. For instance, perhaps we need a quick T-chart to brainstorm strengths and weaknesses. Or we can use pen modifiers to indicate some areas for students to label. Pen modifiers are easy for you and your students to use. Let's try a shape. Notice that the fill of the shapes is translucent. You may also use the Selector tool to select and manipulate any of these annotations.